Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Tablet. Following that, click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. Now to save your new name, hit OK in Device Name pop-up and then also OK in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!